I've been running my latest business for 8 months now after 4 years in a corporate role, and I've got to say, I'm loving it. Lots of the benefits of an online business are obvious, but the ones that made the biggest difference to me aren't, and honestly, I'd forgotten how much I missed them. Plus, I'm feeling particularly grateful right now because for the past week I've been working from a beautiful hotel in Porto, Portugal, which has got to be one of the most incredible cities I've ever been to. So today I'm going to take you with me on my workday while I explain the biggest reasons why I love running an online business. But first, let's get set up. So first, I want to talk about creativity, and more than that, being able to build something from nothing. I've always loved building things. I've always been fascinated by the concept of taking an idea and turning it into something that impacts people in the real world. It's why I first got obsessed with coding. When you code, you can literally bring an idea into the world just by typing at a keyboard. You have the power to create things with almost no limitations. But over time, I realised that this feeling is even more powerful when running a business. Rather than just building a product, you're building a brand and an entire company around your idea. I love spending my day working on mine and my clients' businesses, bringing our ideas to life one day at a time. Every time we finish a new strategy, launch a product, or hit a revenue target, I get that same rush I used to get when I was building products. Something that we thought of is now out there in the real world helping people. That's an incredible feeling. And now that I'm not only building other people's ideas but my own as well, I'm feeling incredibly motivated again. Okay, now that I've finished my morning work, it's time to change locations, do a spot of writing, and get some lunch. This hotel has an incredible view, and I think it's a great place to discuss my second benefit, flexibility. I've been lucky to have a lot of flexibility throughout my career. Between running an agency in London and working for a mostly remote company, I've had some control over my time and location for many years now. But now that my business is entirely online and doesn't have a physical office, I've got more flexibility than ever. Now, while I have a spot to eat, I just want to be clear. Flexibility doesn't mean working 2 hours a day, not taking any calls and doing whatever I want. I don't want to create some fake illusion of what running a business is like. I still work just as much as I used to, and probably a lot more than average. And I still have fixed calls and commitments, just like anyone else. But I can handle those commitments on my own terms. Some days I'll work late into the evenings. On others, I'll cut the day short and travel while most people are working. Being able to structure my day around what makes the most sense for me, rather than a fixed set of hours, has been a massive plus. And it also means I can work from anywhere and travel to beautiful places like this. I can spend my evenings exploring the city or watching the sunset, and work hard during the day. This flexibility has been great for my motivation, and honestly, it probably actually means I'm working more. I don't feel like I need a holiday when I can explore these places in my evenings. Doing work I love while travelling has been an amazing benefit, and it isn't something I'll be giving up anytime soon. Let's now go somewhere a little more private and discuss one of the most obvious benefits. The sad truth is, it's incredibly difficult to become financially free when working a traditional job. Even if you progress fast in your career, you'll still be working for 20 plus years before you reach any level of financial freedom. And that's why most people who reach financial freedom early are business owners. And that makes sense, because you can increase your net worth with your hard work, your skills, and the value you provide. So I knew that to reach financial freedom early on, I had to go back to running my own business. And this leads most people to the question, what business should I start? Whenever anyone asks me this, I usually say the same thing. You want to create a business that does 2 things. 1, helps people, and 2, has a product that you would use yourself. And for those of you who have read the book Hooked, this will sound familiar. But beyond that, your business model can make or break an early business. You want to have a business that's easy to scale, has low overheads, a great margin, and easy to manage cash flow. And that's why I generally don't recommend things like dropshipping or a traditional agency. But with the right kind of online business, you can create all of the flexibility I spoke about earlier while operating at an insane margin. Oh, and if these terms don't make sense to you, click the link in the description and I'll send you a free document explaining them and why they're important. By working with lots of businesses over the past 10 years, I discovered the differences between an okay model and a great one. Businesses with okay margins have slow, linear growth at best, and usually they don't grow at all. And speaking from experience, this is a horrible way to run a business. You end up as an incredibly stressed, underpaid employee in a job you made. But with the right model, you can create a business that grows incredibly quickly and actually helps you get towards your goals. Over the last few years, I've learned how to create one of those businesses. And knowing that all the work I do directly impacts my future goals makes it really easy to stay motivated. But money isn't everything. And as I said earlier, I believe that the best businesses help other people. So let's move to another location and discuss that a bit more. One of the most surprising benefits has been the sense of fulfillment I've gotten from having a positive impact on my clients. I work with established creators and entrepreneurs to help them scale their businesses, and new entrepreneurs to help them grow or start theirs. Growing any business feels great. but I particularly love helping new entrepreneurs to grow their businesses and share that feeling of bringing your idea into the world. Whenever a client lands a deal or suddenly understands something that they were stuck on, I get taken back to when I had that feeling. Knowing that I'm doing work that can have a real impact on people's lives feels amazing. I used to get this when I saw someone using one of the products I'd built in the real world, but being able to actually communicate with the people I'm working with is a whole new level of feedback. The unexpected benefit of this journey is that I feel much more fulfilled in my work than before. I'm falling back in love with working, which is something I'd lost towards the end of my last job. This combination of balance, flexibility and fulfillment has led to a place where I'm happier than I have been in years. Okay, it's time to move to our last location and talk about my final benefit. Finally, one of the great things about running an online business specifically is that you get to work with people from all over the world. I've always enjoyed working in remote-first businesses. Setting yourself up to be remote allows you to work with the best people, regardless of where they're based. That means that I get to find and work with extremely talented people. They say you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. And for those of us who work a lot, the people that you spend the most time with are the people you work with. So I think having the opportunity to work with the best people in their field online is a real advantage that most people don't think of. What are the chances that the best designer ever happens to live within 15 minutes of your office? Not likely. I want to work with the best, most passionate people, and an online business allows me to do that. Plus, it means I can have clients from places I've never been. I speak to people in the US, Canada, UK, Middle East, and even New Zealand every week. I get to learn about more lifestyles, countries, and cultures. Learning how different people live, and more importantly, think, can give you a better understanding of the world. This has huge benefits in all aspects of your life, but it helps your business in particular. The more you understand how customers might interact with your product, the better your product and marketing will be. Plus, it's just so interesting learning about different lifestyles. Overall, I'm the most happy, fulfilled, and motivated I've been in years. Most of that is thanks to my decision to take the leap and to start a new business. So if you're thinking about starting a business, I say do it. It's incredible how quickly it'll change your life in ways you'll never expect. Right, this is my last day in this beautiful city, so I'm gonna go watch the sunset. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later.